this is the video that we are going to be looking for a winner. Cross your guys' fingers and good luck to everyone. All right, you guys, we're going to go and pick a winner for the Be My Galentine. This is for just my video only from Mass Monday. This is Sassy Pants. It's her video. So we're going to go ahead and paste that link in there, filter duplicate users. This one was Chin. Sorry, I got to reach across here, guys. So it was Chin. If you guys remember that chin mask that she was wearing. Okay, so here we go. We have 30 potential candidates. Without further ado, good luck, drum roll please, and here we go. Tracy, no, LMT. Let me double check and make sure that you have not won anything in the last 30 days and or at least up to 45, but I don't think you have. It says, oh my God, I spit out my soda several times on my chin from laughing. Thanks for sharing, Sassy. So as long as everything is okay here, we are good to go. Double check over here, make sure she is subscribed. And she does have a public channel. Thank you very much. And there I am right here. So we're all good to go there. So congratulations to Tracy No. And you guys give her a big, huge congratulations. Because you know what? It's exciting when your name pops up and you're the winner. All right, you guys. Now, what do you have to do next, Tracy? You've got 48 hours to get a hold of me. And if any of you guys know Tracy or you have a direct link to her, please let her know. Tell her to head on over here to this video. Get a hold of me. I mean, leave a comment, but get a hold of me through email or instant or direct message through Instagram. And I would greatly appreciate it. Helps me out. Again, thank you guys very much for all of the continued support. I greatly appreciate it. And until the next one, take care. Bye.